In this video, I will be showing you how to use Deepseek for referencing style. Let's get started. I begin by opening the Deepseek interface in my web browser. I click on the chat window text field where it says, Message Deepseek, to focus the cursor. Now, I paste a pre-prepared prompt instructing Deepseek to act as an APA 7th edition referencing assistant, setting the guidelines to verify accuracy and report any missing details. I click the blue arrow button on the right to send the message. The system processes the query, and a message response generates on screen quickly, setting up the context for the formatting helper. I read through the instructions it provides on how it will help convert my references. Next, I click the text box once more to input the source details I want formatted. I paste in the detailed metadata for a journal article, including the author's, year, title, journal name, volume, issue, page numbers, and DOI. Once all the information is correctly pasted, I click the blue upload arrow button to submit the detailed prompt. The platform processes the information quickly, and a reference entry generates completely, along with an indicator showing that no components are missing. I highlight a small section of the text output to review the generated APA 7th edition string. Finally, I click back into the main message input area to process another reference. I paste in a second set of source details for another journal article, ensuring all relevant fields like authors, title, journal, volume, issue, and DOI are explicitly populated in the text box. I click the blue submit arrow on the right once more. Deepseek instantly generates the formatted APA reference entry and confirms that all required fields are present. I select a portion of the freshly generated text to confirm formatting details look exactly right. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.